Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here. Nothing's really blooming in our yard, but we do have rose in our yard that's blooming. It's a knockout rose, and it's real pretty today. They don't really have a smell, but they sure are pretty. And we still have a couple of our azaleas blooming, but they don't last as long. So we're starting to get our roses. And there's another little bloom right here. Well, this one's bursting out, and we'll have lots more buds to see. So maybe I'll do an update when our dawn rose blossoms some more. God bless and Jesus loves you all.